Hello everyone, welcome back to Usermaven. Today we're back with another powerful feature of Usermaven, and that is funnels. Funnels help you understand how users move through your website or product and where they drop off, so you can optimize your conversions effectively. Let's see how. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on Funnels. From here, click on the plus icon to create a new funnel. You'll see two options. You can either build from scratch or use AI suggestions. In this case, we'll go with build from scratch so we can configure everything manually. Now you'll enter the funnel setup screen. First, give your funnel a name. We'll name it Book a Demo. You can also add a description if you'd like. For example, users who move from landing page to demo booking. This step is optional. Next, choose your funnel type. You can select either users or companies. If you choose users, you're tracking individual user journeys, which is what we're doing in this example. If you choose companies, that's more useful for B2B SaaS businesses that want to analyze behavior at the account level. Now let's define the funnel steps. You can create steps using a page URL, a custom event, or a pinned event. Since we're tracking a book a demo journey, our first step will be a page URL, the main landing page. We enter the URL of the landing page and label it landing page. For the second step, we again select page URL, this time entering the demo booking page URL, and we label it Book a Demo page. For the final step, we select a custom event and choose the event demo booked with the condition has been performed. This tracks users who successfully completed the demo booking action. If your custom event includes properties, you can also apply filters to narrow down the results based on those properties. Next, choose your step order. You can select strict order, which means users must complete the steps exactly in the defined order without triggering other events in between. Or you can choose sequential order, which allows users to perform other actions in between as long as the main steps are completed in order. We'll go with the sequential order. Now, choose your funnel window. The funnel window defines how much time users have to complete all the steps. You can set this in minutes, hours, or days. If you leave it at the default value of 0, there's no time limit. Once everything is set up, click Create Funnel. Now you'll see the funnel analysis. At the top, you'll see the total number of visitors who entered the funnel. You'll also see the overall conversion rate, showing how many users successfully completed all steps. You can clearly identify which step has the highest drop-off rate. For example, if the landing page shows a high drop-off percentage, that tells you where optimization is needed. Scrolling down, you'll see detailed insights including how many users completed each step, how many dropped off, the conversion rate per step, and the average time between steps. You can also break down the funnel by source, channel, referrer, country, device, browser, or domain to see which traffic segments are converting better. If you want to compare performance over time, you can use the Compare feature to analyze previous periods or create a custom date range. You can even view the conversion time distribution to see how long users take to move from one step to another. Now let's quickly go over alerts. If you want to monitor any specific step in your funnel, click on Alerts. First, select the step you want to track. For example, the landing page step. Then give your alert a name like Landing Page Drop-Off Alert. Next, choose the metric, either completion rate or drop-off rate. After that, set the condition, meaning when the alert should trigger. For example, if the drop-off rate goes above or below a certain percentage. You can also use the recommended threshold. Then choose how you want to receive the alert, via email or Slack, and add the recipients. Finally, click Create Alert, and Usermaven will notify you whenever that condition is met. To automatically share funnel data, click on Schedule Report. Start by entering a report name. Then select the report type and confirm the funnel you want the report for. In this case, the Book a Demo funnel. Next, choose the frequency: daily, weekly, or monthly. Add the email addresses of the recipients who should receive the report, and then click Create Report. Your funnel report will now be automatically sent according to the schedule you selected. And if you prefer automated insights, simply click on AI-powered insights that wraps up everything you need to know about creating and analyzing funnels in Usermaven. Thanks for watching, and start building your funnels today to uncover drop-offs, improve conversions, and make smarter product decisions.